place. I've noticed there's multiple dump zones in this house. One of them is the dining table, one of them is my dressing table. We've got a tiny console table as you walk in the hallway with a basket on that's meant to just have our car keys on, and that's become a dump zone. I actually don't want to admit how long it's been since I've used the Dyson Wash G1. I love this gadget, but I need to clean it, and my pet peeve is having to clean things that clean for you. It does generally clean itself after every mop, but you know, like a proper deep clean, like taking all the parts apart, like just a maintenance clean. And it's just one of those jobs that you just never really fancy starting because it's quite major. But I do just need to bite the bullet because she treats me well, so I need to give her the same respect. At this point, the kitchen was feeling fresh and clean, so very much looking forward to a fresh, clean face day. Secret to a nice, shiny, smooth, slick back. Use one of these, the Smooth Company brushes with a bit of hairspray sprayed in the bristles and just smooth over your ponytail. This wasn't my finest work, but we're just in our comfies, going out for a nice, long dog walk. Sam's back by this point and we can get on with our Sunday.